morning routine. So the morning routine which I found recently, or the morning practice, let's call it that. So Lisa Nichols is like she's like the female version of Les Brown, an amazing speaker, incredible story. I love her honesty, sincerity, authenticity for sure, but just her love, right? You can tell that when she speaks, love is emitted, love comes out of her. So this routine is, so firstly, probably in the morning is the best time. And so you go to the mirror. Now, after you've done your, brush your teeth, stuff like that. So you assume the Superman, Superwoman, or warrior pose. What is that? That's, you can't see me now, but it's where you put your hands on your hips, and your feet, you're standing up straight, and your feet are like a little bit more than shoulder width apart. And you're looking into the mirror. So if you're a man, it's like how Superman stands with a cape flapping behind him, right? And if you're a woman, it's like Wonder Woman, right? As she's standing there. So it's a warrior pose. Okay, so what you do now, this is the conversation that you have with yourself. And then what you do is that I'll use my name, but you use your own name. So like the first thing I start, there's 3, but the first thing I start off is this. Rob, I am proud of you for. So Rob, I am proud of you for. And so say, I'll give you an example. So Rob, I am proud of you for spending time playing with your kids, and you're with 100% attention on them. Could be one. Rob, I'm proud of you for staying up late last night and staying on Clubhouse and having some really powerful shares and learning some great things. It could be, Rob, I'm proud of you for having such a great day yesterday, and you managed to get all the things done on your to-do list. Could be that, but 7 times you repeat that. Now the next one would be, so it's a very powerful one. This one's about forgiveness. So Rob, I forgive you for. Now lots of the time, again, I'm not perfect, and there's things which I've done that I'm not necessarily proud of. There's things where I've maybe broken my word, right? But forgiveness is very important, not to necessarily take myself off the hook, but to ensure, that I learn and that I do better next time. So it could be, so again, same position, same pose. Rob, you say your name. Rob, I forgive you for, and whatever you forgive you. So it's like, Rob, I forgive you for breaking your word and not, paying that guy back. Rob, I forgive you for, not spending time with your kids yesterday. Rob, I forgive you for being late to meet Marina for her birthday at the sushi place, right? For example, so I can go as shallow or as deep as I want to go. The deeper that I go, the better. And I'm looking at myself in the mirror. And remember, you say your name, not my name. You say your own name, and you look at yourself and you say it 7 times, not a list like Rob, I forgive you for, and then list 7 things. You do it 7 times. Rob, I forgive you for, that's 1. Rob, I forgive you for, that's 2, and so on. The last one is commitment. This is like a declaration. So Rob, same position. Rob, I commit to you that. And this could be the next 24 hours. Rob, I commit to you that you will fulfill your word and make good on X. Rob, I commit to you that today you will inspire as many people as you possibly can through doing 3 powerful videos. Rob, I commit to you that, and so on, right? Now, this 3 steps I do every morning, and this is after I meditate or after meditation exercise, and I do it in the front of the mirror. It doesn't cost you anything but time, but it's actually an investment, not a cost. You don't need anyone else. You don't need to pay anybody, right? It's really powerful. And when you keep on doing it over time, it allows your identity, your self-identity and the love for yourself to grow, self-confidence to grow, and you become, with self-love, self-confidence, then you're really able to move powerfully forward in the world and basically do exactly what it is that you need to do. So yeah, try that one. Very powerful. Don't try it, just do it.